Hello all. In this video, we are going to discuss about estimation of the population for a particular time period from the census data which is provided. We all know census happens once in 10 years. In India, it happened uninterrupted from 1881 till 2011. It has happened on all first year of the decade, that is 2001, 2011. 2021, it didn't happen due to the interruption of COVID. So based on the 2 years census population, we calculate the increase in population, and based on that increase, we try to estimate the population at a particular point of time. I'm going to explain the estimation of the population for a particular time period from the census provided data. Here is the question. The population of Tamil Nadu was 62.4 million, that is 6.24 crores in the 2001 census, and 72.1 million, that is 7.21 crore in 2011 census. This is the provided information for the calculation of the population for any point of time later on. In the question here, they have asked to estimate the 2018 population and also 2018 mid-year population. I would say in community medicine problems, this will be the simplest calculation that you can get, simplest problem which you can get. So what we need to do here is we need to understand the fact that the census population is calculated as per the March 1st data usually. So for 2001 March 1st, the data given here is 6 crore 24 lakhs, and as per 2011 census, it has raised up to 7.21 crore here. So the next step, this is what given in the question. Next step is we need to calculate the intercensal difference, that is the difference between these two. So we need to calculate the difference between these two, and approximately and nearly we have got 97 lakh increase in population. So this is the increase for 10 years, that is from 2001 to 2011. So we need to calculate from that annual increase, that is yearly increase. So we need to divide the total increase divided by 10. So this is the yearly increase. Yearly increase, that is 9,70,000 per year, which has contributed to 97 lakhs in the past 10 years. So we have calculated the yearly increase of population. So for completed years, so then we need to calculate the 2018 mid-year population. So the completed year here is 7 years. So we need to multiply the population for 7-year growth. We need to multiply this 7-year into the yearly growth, that is 9,70,000. So which has yielded about 67 lakhs 90,000. Then in the next step, we need to calculate the estimated population asked in the question. That is, we need to substitute the 2011 census population, that is the recent census population. That will be this value. We need to substitute this here. Then we need to add the 7-year increase. So that will yield the 2018 population. That will yield the 2018 population March 1st level. Then we need to calculate for mid-year population, means it is July 1st. So the difference between March and July is 4 months. So what we need to do here is we need to calculate the population growth for that 4 months. So that is the population of the fraction growth of that year up to July 1st, 2018. For that, we need to multiply the yearly growth with the 4 by 12. That is 4 months divided by 12 months in a year. So that will give up to 3,23,333 increase in population. So if we want to calculate the mid-year population, that is July 1st, 2018 population, we need to substitute the 2011 census population, and we need to add the completed year population, that is the 7-year population growth which we calculated, and that 4 months calculation, that is the fraction growth of the population for that year, that we need to substitute. So totally this is 721 2011 census, and 7 years growth that we have calculated here and the 4-month growth. And based on that, if we calculate, it will yield about 79.21 million, that is 7.92 crore in the year 2018. Like that, the question may be different with different time period and also with different month also. The concept remains the same. We need to calculate the intercensal difference. Then we need to calculate the yearly growth. Then we need to calculate the population for that particular point of the year by adding the recent population with complete growth of the population at that point of time. Then if there is any difference in months, we can calculate the population fractional growth in that particular month. Population growth for that particular year also can be added. So based on that, we can calculate the population at a particular month of the year. So based on that, you can calculate the current expected population. Especially this question high probability for us to come in exam because the 2021 census has not happened. COVID interruptions. If we want to calculate the current population of a particular district, we need to this concept, the inter difference, the yearly increase, and the population of the fraction of a particular year. By adding this, using this concept, we can calculate the population of any district, state, or country, the census data. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. If you find this video useful, please share it to your friends. Thanks for watching.